Finance is one of those niches where views may be low, but the earnings are so high, you won't believe it. Finance creators are making 5 to 10 times more money compared to other creators, and the biggest reason behind this is high RPM. Think about it, in countries like India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, you earn just $1, $2 for 1,000 views. But if you're in the finance niche and targeting premium countries like the USA, UK, or Canada, your RPM can shoot up to $35, $40. That means fewer views, but 100 times more money. Now just imagine, on one side, there's a big sack stuffed tightly with coins, and on the other side, a small box filled with shining dollar bills. A wise and far-sighted person will always choose the small box because its real value and impact are far greater. In exactly the same way, this is the fundamental difference between a local or regional finance channel and a premium country-level finance channel. Finance is definitely an ocean, but first we need to understand what the audience is actually interested in. Not everyone is an investing expert, and not everyone understands crypto. But one common thing that everybody needs is money management. Some people search for saving tips from their very first salary. Some want to learn the correct way to use credit cards. And some want to invest money for retirement. Meaning, every audience has its own problem, and your job is to provide the solution. So, in the beginning, you need to define your audience. Are you targeting students who want to learn saving and budgeting? Are you guiding working professionals about investing and taxes? Or are you creating content for crypto and blockchain enthusiasts? The clearer your audience is, the clearer your content will be, and then your channel will become a go-to place for them. Topic research. Now the question is, how do you find topics? There are 2 simple ways. ChatGPT. After selecting your sub-niche, simply ask ChatGPT, give me 100 YouTube video ideas on XYZ niche. Boom! You'll get a ready-made goldmine. Popular channels. Analyze the top finance creators in the USA and UK. See which topics are getting millions of views. Take those ideas and recreate them with your own value addition. This method is tried and tested. Script writing. Next comes the script. You can use 2 tools, vidIQ AI Coach. Play any popular video and extract its summary. Then ask AI, find gaps, and create an updated script for 2024. ChatGPT, copy the summary, and ask ChatGPT to write a fresh detailed script. Just make sure to add your own value. Never blindly copy-paste. Voiceover and visuals. Script ready? Now it's time for the voiceover. You can use your own voice. It feels natural. Or go with AI tools like 11 Labs for a clear and professional sound. For visuals, the easiest tool is Canva Pro. It gives you access to a huge library of stock footage and images. Just search visuals according to your script scenes and drop them into the timeline. Make sure the visuals and voiceover sync perfectly. That's what makes the video engaging. Editing and final touches. For editing, the best free tool is CapCut. It's simple and beginner-friendly. Just drag and drop your voiceover and stock footage. Then add a little bit of text, smooth transitions, and some light background music. Music is super important. It can make the difference between a boring video and an engaging one. For background tracks, you can use free copyright-free music from Mixkit or Pixabay. And here's a pro tip. Don't keep any scene too long. Quick cuts and proper sync keep viewers hooked till the end. These small details are what give your video that professional feel. Now it must be clear to you that the finance niche is a completely different game. If you target it smartly, your earnings can go sky high even with fewer views. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support by giving it a like.